Alright babe, welcome back to another video. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon to let you know I posted another video. Today we are going to be opening up Doorables. I have 5 of these, so let's get started. I opened up one, but I'm not like fully opened it up. And I got the paper here of like Toy Story, Mona, Tangled, Bambi, Mickey and Friends, of like all the ones you can collect. So let's see, in my first one, who we got. And I'm pretty sure, because there's 2 that comes in these. Let's see. I got Olaf. So I got Olaf. And I got this one. And Olaf. Can't see it. She's right here. She's in with the Tangled. Then Olaf is in with the Frozen. So that was my first ones I've got. Set these over here. My second one. I'm so sorry guys for not posting. These last couple of weeks has been insane with my work schedule and some other things that is coming up later this year. If I can get this open. My next one, it's got another paper with it, which we can look off this one. And these is going to have 2 in each one of them. So my first one. And my second one. So my first one is this one. It's got a mean face. And it's the little cat. And these, the cat came off this one with all the kitties. And the princesses is right here. So these are cute. These are my other 2 I got. And I'm still wanting Stitch. That is my main one I'm wanting, is Stitch. Sorry I keep picking. I feel like I got a hair. My next one. Got another paper. My first one. Set up there. My second one. Set up there. One of these is coming off of Sleeping Beauties. And the other one is coming off of Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse and Friends. So here's the Mickey Mouse. These are adorable. Get it? Adorable. But anyways. And there's this one. Off of the Sleeping Beauty. And there's the Sleeping Beauties of like all the ones you can collect. Oh, these are cute. Set them over there. I got 2 more. I have like 10 of these. I just open like 5 up at a time. I could open up all 10, but it'll be a long video. I always tear this stuff up every single time. Alright. I'm not going to show you what it is yet. Get that out of the way. I'm eventually going to open up one of these and it's going to go like that little piece of paper did. A little rubber. Okay. One of them is coming off Mickey and Friends. I can already see that. The other one is coming off of the Cinderellas. So, Mickey Mouse and Friends is this one. They're adorable. And the Cinderellas is this one. My next one. I don't think in these small ones I can get Stitch. I think I can only get the ones that shows like Frozen, Moana, Toy Story, Sleeping Beauty, Tangled, Bambi, Mickey and Friends, Cinderellas. But I really want Stitch. My next one. I really like to get, like, I probably will, if I got like 10 more. Get the Bambi ones. Because I've got what I've got so far. One of them's a repeat, but the other one's not. Moana is this one. And I got Olaf again. So that's it on this video. If you want me to open up more of these or anything like more of like mini brands and stuff like that, comment down below. And if you not already subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit that bell icon to let you know I posted another video. This is K-Bay. I love you guys, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.